Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how can you reset your camera setting. So guys, if you're trying to reset your camera setting and you cannot be able to reset your camera setting, then how can you reset it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what we need to do, you have to just open setting, and from here scroll down, and from here guys tap here camera, and from here guys tap on preserve setting, tap here, and from here guys turn off all this toggle, turn off, and simply go back, and here guys turn on this toggle smart HDR, turn on, and from here simply go back, and from here tap on journal, tap on here background app refresh, and make sure that the camera is enabled. And after that guys, go back, tap here transfer or reset iPhone, tap here, tap on reset, tap here reset all setting, enter your iPhone password and reset your all setting, and your camera setting will be reset. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.